Hello friends, welcome to Kanama Cooks. Today we'll be doing a lunchbox combo special, the coconut milk rice and a spicy egg and peas masala. It's a favorite at home. Let's dive into the recipe. First we shall make the coconut milk rice. I'm using basmati rice today. Wash and soak the rice in water for 20 minutes. Wash the rice gently and then soak. If you try to wash the rice after soaking, it will tend to break. So do not wash the rice after soaking. Usually just before starting to cook, if you soak the rice, the timing will be good. The basmati rice that I use and the links for the same can be found in the description box below. If you're interested, you can check them out. Take a pressure pan. I have used a 5-liter pressure pan for making this recipe today. Add in little oil, vegetable oil, peanut oil, whatever oil you have in your home, use that and it just works fine. Add in the bay leaves, cardamom, cloves. Kalpasi is used for making this recipe. It makes the pulao very aromatic. Add some star anise and some fennel seeds. Saute for a few seconds on medium flame until the spices turn aromatic. Add a few curry leaves. Add in the sliced onions and the ginger garlic paste. Add in the green chillies. If you like a spicy rice, adjust the green chillies according to your taste. Now saute the onions till they are soft and translucent. Once the onions are soft, add in the chopped tomatoes and the salt. Add in the garam masala. Any store-bought garam masala is okay for this recipe. Mix well to combine. Now cover the pan with the lid and let the tomatoes cook for 3 to 4 minutes until they are mushy. The tomatoes are now well cooked and it is mushy. Let's now add in some chopped mint leaves and some chopped coriander leaves. After adding them, saute for a minute until the leaves wilt. Do not cook for long after adding the leaves. Now let's add in the coconut milk and the water. We have used 1.5 cups of basmati rice. For this quantity, I am adding 1 cup of coconut milk and 2 cups of water. Since coconut milk is a little thick, 2 cups of water is necessary for the pulao to cook to the desired consistency, else it might scorch at the bottom. I have used canned coconut milk for making this recipe today. Homemade milk works well too. If using homemade milk, use a mixture of first pressed and second pressed milk. Mix well. Let it come to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, add in the soaked and drained rice to the pressure pan. Mix the rice well. Now cover the pressure cooker with the lid and add the whistle on. Let it cook for 2 whistles of 5 to 6 minutes on a medium-low flame. After the set time, remove the cooker from heat and wait for the pressure to settle. Once the pressure settles, open the cooker and mix gently. Our coconut milk rice is ready. Now let's move on to making the egg peas masala. Take a pan and add in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil is very flavorful and aromatic in this masala. Add in the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and the chopped curry leaves. Saute for a few seconds. Add in the sliced onions and the ginger garlic paste. Add in the green chillies. Adjust the green chillies according to your taste. Let's saute the onions till they are soft. The onions are now ready. Add in the turmeric powder, red chilli powder, black pepper powder, coriander powder, and rock salt. Add in a little sugar to balance the taste. Saute for a few seconds for the masala powders to coat. Add in the finely chopped tomatoes and finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Cover the pan with a lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes on medium flame till the tomatoes are mushy. Now, a small trick to make the masala creamy. Mash the tomato-onion mixture with a potato masher so the curry is creamy and forms a thick masala. At this stage, add in the green peas. I have used frozen green peas today. If fresh peas is in season, do use them as they taste very delicious. Add about half a cup of water for the green peas to cook. Cover the pan with a lid and cook till the green peas are soft, about 5 to 6 minutes. In the meantime, take some hard-boiled eggs and make little gashes on the egg so the masalas can penetrate well. Add the prepared eggs to the pan. Mix well to combine so the masala coats the egg evenly. Cover the pan with the lid and cook for 2 more minutes so the flavors of the egg masala can penetrate into the eggs. Our egg masala is ready. Hope you liked the recipe we made today. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.